Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Xbox Series S. This is the holiday edition and we'll see what the fuss is about. This was actually a great deal. It was $2.99 plus tax Canadian. And guys, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. Video review is coming in soon. So this is the box. Just some standard advertisement. And this is the 512 gigabyte edition. So let's get this opened up. So the first thing that pops up of the box is the Xbox itself. I'm just going to put this to the side and we'll see what else is in the box. We have an Xbox pamphlet card that just goes over the port selection and an app, the Microsoft app that will work with your Android and your iOS device. Of course, controller is over here. Nothing else in here. Comes with a standard HDMI 2.1 cable. So this does support 2.1, which is 120 hertz, 4K, and that is the max for the Series S. Put that to the side. Standard game manual, or the console manual, nothing crazy. Power adapter, which is excellent. It's actually just a cable. I don't believe there actually is a brick for this system, but very convenient. And of course we have the controller here. Your Xbox Series controller. The last Xbox console I actually had was a 360, and it seems like the controller shape has been practically the same. And it looks like it actually comes with a non-rechargeable pack. So just a heads up guys, you will need batteries in the long run. It does give you a set of 2 AA batteries. I'm not going to open these, I have rechargeable ones, but just a heads up, this is not a chargeable controller. Other than that, nothing else in the box. Close this. Put this to the side. Now let's take a look at the Xbox itself. And here it is. Very, very, very sleek device. This thing is actually a lot smaller than I had expected it to be. So I believe this is the fan, and of course you have vents for the intake and output. This is the front of the Xbox Series S. It comes with a USB 3 port at the front and what looks like a connecting button for your controllers. Flip it over to the side, more intake fans. And on the back here, we have where the power goes. You have an expansion drive, so your storage expansion. It allows you to expand the memory. This is a 512 gigabyte version, which is about 384 gigabytes of usable space because a lot of it goes for the operating system. But you can get additional storage that plugs right into here. HDMI out. This is where your HDMI cable goes to plug into your computer. You also have very fast SS. I'm guessing this is USB 3.2 port, so just for external storage. And of course, you have a dedicated Ethernet port here, which is excellent if you're online gaming and you don't want latency. So this is very sleek. This is just the bottom here, and very, very, very sleek device. Okay, now let's set it up. We'll go from there. guys.